In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to queue videos in Handbrake, a fantastic way to save time on repetitive tasks. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just getting started, mastering this skill is crucial for enhancing efficiency, especially when dealing with multiple video files. So let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow. The first thing we need to address is the installation of Handbrake. If it's not already installed on your system, make sure to download it from the official Handbrake website. The installation process is straightforward, much like any typical software. Download the file, open it, and follow the prompts to get it up and running. Once installed, go ahead and launch the application. This is where all the magic happens. Now that Handbrake is open, the next step is to add your first video. Click on the open source button to locate and upload the video you want to process. Handbrake supports a wide range of file formats, so you shouldn't have any trouble loading your video. Once you have your video loaded, it's time to configure the encoding settings. This brings us to setting up your desired encoding preferences. This is a significant part as it affects the quality and file size of the final output. You'll want to adjust parameters like resolution, bitrate and format to match your needs. Handbrake offers a variety of presets to make this easier if you're not keen on deep dive customizations, but feel free to modify these settings to fit the specific requirements of your project. After fine-tuning the encoding settings, it's time to decide where you want to save your converted video files. Click on Browse in the destination section to choose a folder on your computer where you'd like the output files saved. This step ensures all your hard work is stored safely in your chosen directory. With the settings saved and your destination selected, you can now add the video file to the queue. By clicking Add to Queue, you effectively set it up for batch processing. The beauty of Handbrake is that it allows us to repeat this entire process for multiple videos. So go ahead and repeat the steps. Open another video file, configure its settings and add it to the queue. Continue doing this for each video you want to encode. Every time you click on Add to Queue, you're preparing another video for conversion, ensuring they're all processed without needing additional input from you once they start. When all your videos have been queued, you're ready for the final step. Initiate the encoding process. Simply click the Start Encode button and Handbrake will take it from there. The software will process each video in the order they were added, using the specific settings you've tailored for each one. This queue system is designed to streamline the workflow, allowing you to focus on other tasks while Handbrake efficiently handles your video conversions. So there you have it, a streamlined way to manage video processing in Handbrake. Thank you for watching and happy editing.